It's a roof repairs in the middle of January. Normally this would be covered with a foot of snow. I'm just going to try to get what water we can get off and get a temporary permanent patch on it. Problem with these flat roofs is it seems like the drains are always higher than the rest of the roof. The drain's the only dry spot. The rest of the roof has got water pretty much laying on it. I was up here the other day and it was one solid sheet of ice. It's not too bad now. But this roof needs a new roof. People just like to patch them until they have no choice whatsoever.